Queen Alara, a solitary figure framed by the castle window, watches as snowflakes dance across the winter forest, each flake a whisper of the cold to come. Her breath mists the glass as she whispers a wish into the silent, snowy expanse. I wish for a child with skin as white as snow, lips as red as blood, and hair as black as ebony. A raven, black as night, lands on the windowsill, its obsidian eyes a stark omen in the serene yet melancholic scene. Lost and weary, Snow White discovers the dwarf's quaint cottage, a beacon of warmth amidst the encroaching darkness. She succumbs to exhaustion, finding solace in the dwarf's humble abode as she eats their stew and collapses into a deep slumber on the smallest bed. The dwarfs return from their toil, their faces etched with fatigue, to find their sanctuary disturbed. Dwarfs ascend the mountainside, their sorrowful faces reflecting the weight of Snow White's crystal coffin. Prince Caius, hunting nearby, spots the shimmering coffin. Immediately captivated by Snow White's beauty and driven to possess it, a stumble dislodges the poison. Snow White awakens, and Caius, kneeling beside her, overflows with joy as he proposes. You are more beautiful and strong than I ever imagined. Will you be my wife and rule by my side?